You are closing a major chapter in your life. You have achieved something, and now you are ready for a new beginning, for a new journey. So, let's see. Hi guys, so this is a collective reading. So we are tapping into the energy of the collective. So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what message do you want this collective to know today? Ano ang kailangang tapusin? Ano ang matatapos? Ano ang achievement? Ano ang fulfillment ng ating collective today? We got the 10 of Pentacles and the Magician. So, I feel na this is about being very abundant, and you are now ready to face this abundant life. Minanifest mo na to. You are very powerful. You have been manifesting this. You have been praying for this to happen, and now you are ready to face this reality. Meron nang natapos sa life mo, kaya nagbukas siya ng bagong pinto para magkaroon ng abundance sa life mo. You are experiencing your manifestation right now. So ngayon, pinaplano mo pa lang kung paano mo ba haharapin itong bagong pinto na nagbukas sa life mo. Iniisip mo kung yung mga desisyon ay tama ba. You are ready to take risks. You are ready to leave comfort. So ngayon, tinitingnan mo, ano ba yung best path ng journey na ito? Ano ba dapat? Paano mo ba siya haharapin? Okay, we got the Two of Wands and the High Priestess. So, I feel na may mga bagay na kailangan mong harapin na hindi pa siya pinapakita sa'yo. You have to trust your intuition. You have to trust kung ano yung inner knowing mo. You have to trust in the divine na ipapakita niya ito. I-reveal niya yun sa'yo in the right time. Okay. So, ano ba itong minamanifest mo? Ano ba itong kailangan mong ma-experience? Okay, so we got the 10 of Swords. So, I feel na ito, lumabas to kasi feeling mo, pagod na pagod ka na sa mga pinagdadaanan mo. Feeling mo, you are a failure. Feeling mo, wala ka ng nararating. Pero, ang sinasabi lang neto ay, there's a chance, there is a rebirth, there is survival, there is improvement, there is healing possible for you na magbibigay sa'yo netong gusto mong future, etong gusto mong stability in your life, etong family, etong abundance sa life mo. There is healing na mangyayari. You can, this is not the end, sinasabi na tong card na to. I feel na meron lang siyang tinuturong lesson sa life mo. Pero ang ngayon, nakikita naman natin na it's closing. It is the end of this part of your life. So ngayon, ready ka na. Kasi natapos mo na. Kasi natapos na tong chapter na to ng life mo. So ngayon, ready ka na to para harapin itong future na gusto mo, na minamanifest mo, na dinidesire mo, okay? Kaya you have to do planning, you have to make the right decisions. Pero eto, we got the Ace of Swords. So, meron clarity na darating sa'yo. You will have a breakthrough. So, etong mga hindi pinapakita sa'yo ni High Priestess, magkakaroon ng clarity sa'yo. Darating yung clarity sa life mo. Darating yung mga ideas, darating yung focus, and the truth. Okay? Kaya, kailangan mo lang, anong kailangan gawin? Yeah, kailangan mong ikalma ang iyong sarili. Kailangan mong ikalma ang iyong mindset. Kailangan, you are transitioning kasi. You are transitioning from a rough environment into calmer waters. So, you are preparing yourself then. You are moving on from something. You are moving on. You are leaving something behind na tapos na. And now, you are going into something na maganda yung environment. It's very calm. It's also about accepting yung mga natutunan mo before, yung mga natutunan mong lessons na na feel mo na nag-collapse yung buhay mo, napagod ka, na feeling mo na betray ka, na you were ruined, you were a failure. So, pero tinuturuan ka lang niya ng lesson. And now, you are ready to accept all these lessons and bring them with you towards this new journey, towards this new start. So, ayan. I feel that that's what the cards are saying right now. And you will have clarity naman na lalapit sa'yo. Okay, so, if this reading resonated with you, comment kayo dyan, and I hope you are having a good day today, and sana nakatulong itong reading sa inyo, and I hope that if you find this video, this reading is for you. Okay, bye!